swimmer, it is very critical and crucial to look after their nutrition, and that is where my role comes in. This is the first time where we are having an event where all the meals that we are offering for the swimmers and the parents are prepared in-house. Nothing in the food is preserved that we've used. Everything is cooked by our own cook who we have. This is not only going to help the swimmers in enhancing their performance, but also spread awareness amongst the parents. What is the right food to give to their kids. Most of the time when events like these happen, mothers struggle to pack meals and take for their kids, take for athletes. But this time we are ensuring that that is taken care of and everything is being served here itself. So this is one step that we've taken from our side to ensure that the level of performance goes up, because as you know that this is their machine, their body is their machine, and only if it is fueled well can they perform well in the event.
तुमकां येवकार आयज म्हज्या बरोबर आसा जे फावंडर जेंच्यांनी हे फिट फॉर लायफ हे टायटलाच्या अंडर जे स्टार्ट केलेले आमचो जो बॉब आनी मनिका जे आमच्या बरोबर आसा. आयज तेंचो हो जो स्विमींग इवेंट आसा तो आमच्या सडा भागांत हे आमच्या स्विमींग पुलाचेर जावपाचो आसा आनी ही डेट जी आसा ती 28 आनी 29 जून हे 2 दिसांक लागून हो इवेंट जातलो. आनी हेज्या लागून आमचे गव्हर्मेंट सायडीकसून तांकां पूर्ण पाठिंबा दिल्लो आसा, स्पेशली फ्रॉम द स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ अफेर्साचे डिरेक्टर ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ अफेर्स. त्याच प्रमाणे आमचे ऑल गोवा स्विमींग एसोसिएशन जेजो चेअरमॅन आसा बाब दिगंबर कामत यांचो आमकां तेंको आसा फिट फॉर लायफाक लागून. आनी तेंच्या गायडन्साच्या अंडर हो हांगा इवेंट जातलो. हो इवेंटाक इट वील बी प्रेजेंटेड बाय मोर देन अराउंड 300 swimmers will be coming across Goa and from other state also, for example from Karnataka, Maharashtra and other parts of the states. So it's a big event and we have got this opportunity at this swimming pool. कित्याक तुमकां खबर आसा we have a beautiful swimming pool of international level, but where it was not been utilized much. But the initiative taken by Joe and Manika, they will have this program because this is their third event. They have done the first event at Cape. Second was in Ponda, and this year they are having it in Murmago. The event will be a grand event. तेजे लागून awareness करपा लागून, and especially I like to appeal to the people of Murmago Taluka and the people of Goa, please do come for this event. आणि हे इवेंट जो एक बऱ्या भशेन ऑर्गनायज केल्लो आसा आमचो फिट फॉर लायफ हेंच्यांनी आनी तेंचे बाकीचे सगळे वांगडी ते बरो म्हाका दिसता एक ग्रँड इवेंट जावपाचो आसा.
As you know, in the Gulf countries, this is the time they get holidays. So you will see some kids taking part from even Kuwait, Dubai, Abu Dhabi. So this competition is open to everyone. There is no limit. This is basically to celebrate good level of competition. We should not get into this thing which I traditionally see that less competition means it's good for my child. No, when we go for nationals, we don't want to go for picnics over there. We want to go and compete and win and come. That's when we get a name. There's no point being a champion in your own world. There's no so I know I get a lot of backlash for this, but I want to see that why Goa cannot produce international level swimmers when small countries like Jamaica, Trinidad, Tobago, where people like Usain Bolt and all have come, they have dominated the world. Why can't we go and dominate the world? So this is a small step in that direction. And as I said earlier, it is not only about producing world champions. We want to have a healthy community. We want to have a fit community. We also want to make sure that we do not have issues where we are hearing our drowning cases. Unfortunately, a lot of that doesn't get reported. I just want to give you one fact. Last report that came was 2022. As per that, more than 38,000 people were reported dead due to drowning, which is approximately over 100 per day. Now, we don't really give a thought till somebody who we know or within our family drowns. but we should take it forward. And I'm really grateful to Mr. Digambar Kamath, who is also the executive committee member of World Aquatics, president of the Swimming Association, Mr. Yogiraj Kamath, and the way Mr. Sankalp has welcomed us with open arms, and he has extended all the support. And without all the support and also public awareness, we cannot move forward. So I would love to invite the press to come and cover both these days and see the excitement among the kids, excitement among the coaches and parents, all right, and be part of this event.